The calendar turns, a new year stretches out before us. Full of potential, it feels like a blank page, a fresh start. We all know this feeling, excitement, hope, and the promise that this year will be different. We vow to make big changes, to finally become the person we want to be. For some, it's about health. For others, it's launching a business, deepening relationships, or exploring the world. These goals are seeds for our future selves. The first weeks are filled with Action Gym memberships, online courses, new savings, motivation is high, and we feel in control. But what is it about this time of year that feels so powerful? It's a psychological reset, a chance to leave behind the past and dream again. The new year is a universal signal for renewal, a chance to redefine ourselves. This is the magic and the promise of a new year.